Hello everyone, myself Assistant Professor Shailee Vasita. Welcome you all to the video of Introduction to Tele ERP. So, Tele is an accounting software which has multi usages and which targets multiple aspects of accounting. Further, let's get into it. So, as we all know, that Tele is the most powerful and most trending software right now, and it helps not only the large businesses but also the small and medium businesses. The software is designed in such a manner that it is very much user friendly. It is in fully integrated, affordable, and highly reliable software. The main thing Tally do is it automates your financial transactions and it replaces your manual bookkeeping. Tally is used by small and medium enterprises, corporates, and professionals all over. So Tally is basically developed by the Tally Solutions Private. Further, let's discuss the features of Tally. The key feature of Tally is that it provides you the multi-language facility. It provides you the multiple language access. Along with that, data synchronization, remote capabilities that help you to simplify your business. And the foremost thing about Tele is that it's very user friendly, it's multitasking, and along with that, it provides the features of accounting aspects such as accounting and financial management, inventory management, GST compliance, payroll processing, multi user and location support. Along with that, to secure the data of the company through data security and backup. So these are the features of Tele. Now next, advantages of Tele. See, Tele is an, as we have discussed, that Tele is an very user friendly, so it's very easy to learn and use. Along with that, it's very time saving, accurate in reporting, it's customizable, and it's a real time data processing software. See, Tele has different versions. For students, they have educational versions where they provide them limited access to some of the services, but a student can have a brief interaction with the tele software that is they have provided in the educational versions. Further, now you can see the screen which shows you the interface of tele. So basically, this is the home page of tele. As soon as you enter the tele, you will come across to this interface. You can see there are different things displaying on the screen. So on the right hand side, you can see this is the gateway of tele from where the first thing is masters, second is transactions, then utilities, and then ultimately last it's a quit option which helps you to quit tele. So masters helps you to create and alter your company. Okay, when you create a company, when you need to change some data in your company, this will help you. When you want to enter the transactions in your company, you will use the vouchers. And to see that whether the transaction is being reflected correctly or not, the amount entered is correct or not, or you want to alter the data, or you want to alter the uh, enter transaction, delete the enter transactions, then you can have the access of daybook. Through daybook, you can do this. Now, further add these reports. These reports are nothing but the reflection of the data entered by you in the particular company. Okay. In this side, left hand side, you can see the current period, current date, along with that, the name of the company you are currently working. It means the latest operated company will be displayed over here. Right now, you can see it's only one company. If there is more than two or more company, the company which is currently we are working in or being operated will be highlighted with this bold letters. Over here, along with that, you can see the different shortcut keys are provided to you. Alt K for company, Alt Y for data, Alt Z for exchange. Alt G for go to. Okay, so these are the different keys which helps you to access the features of Tele through shortcut keys. Here, from where you are creating the company and altering the data, same way you can do it with the alter key company option. With the usage of shortcut key, you can also create, alter, and change the company data. Further, how you can operate Tele. For operating the Tele, first thing is you should have that software. That software is available from their website. You can install it. After installing it, the first and foremost thing is to creating a company. After creating a company, the next step will be entering the transactions, then setting up the ledgers and viewing the reports. Turn by turn, we'll see the steps. First is company creation. How will you create a company? For that, you will go to Alter K company part, and this interface will be available to you for creating the company. In that, you need to provide the information like the name, mailing address, your company's address, state, country, pin code, telephone, mobile, fax, email, website, each and everything. After that, your financial year details, your book details, and they also provide you the password options to protect your data, access information of the company data that is also provided by them. And the main important thing is the way in which the transactions are being recorded, which is the type of currency, whether it is US dollar, Indian currency. Okay, so these are the area from where you can select your currency. As you have done with this, all the informations, Tele will ask you for the confirmation, and as soon as you confirm it, you find out that your company is being created. As soon as your company will be created, it will be displayed on the left hand side of the homepage of Tele. As now your company is created, further we'll go for entering the transactions. For entering the transactions, we'll move to vouchers. So there are some things we should keep in mind while we are working in Tele. The step number 3 and 4 goes parallel hand in hand. In manual accounting, we have done that. First of all, we see the type of transaction, that is the nature of transaction. On the basis of that, we create a ledger and we give the effect entries, right? Same thing we'll do in the Tele. After creating the company, what will we do? We will start recording the transactions. For that, we will enter the transactions. As soon as we'll start vouching, Tele will ask us to select the voucher of the transaction. So what are vouchers? It is based on the type of transaction. If it is contra transaction, then you will have the contra voucher. What are contra transactions? Transfer between cash and bank accounts. If it is payment, any type of bank or cash payment, that will be recorded under payment vouchers. Receipt voucher, any receipt in terms of cash or bank, that will be recorded through receipt voucher. Any adjustment between the ledgers will be recorded through journal vouchers. All the purchase transactions, purchase oriented transactions will be entered through purchase voucher. All the sales related transactions will be recorded through sales voucher. As soon as you select the vouchers, the next step is ledger and grouping. See, these three particular steps are very crucial while you are entering your transactions into. This is the interface. This is the thing which you should know how to enter the data in it. So when you will start vouching, this is the page will come foremost. And over here, you will be asked to get the correct voucher. If it is a contra transaction, you will select contra. If it is payment, you will select payment. And for that, you are provided on the right hand side different options. Along with that, you are provided with the function keys also. So it is your convenience whether to select from here or to use the function keys. As soon as you will select the vouchers, the next step will be of creating the ledgers. And when you will create ledgers, they will ask for the grouping of that particular transaction. Further, let's begin with the ledgers. See, in ledgers, there are total 28 predefined groups made by Tally. Out of that, 15 are of primary and 13 are of subgroup. From the predefined primary groups, 9 groups are of capital nature displayed in balance sheet and 6 groups are of revenue nature displayed in your P&L account. If we get some example of ledgers, the common ledgers are like cash, bank, sales, purchase, capital, expenses, etc. Now, let's have some clarity in terms of ledgers. Ledgers and in grouping in Tally is like key bills payable. So, what we understand for bills payable that it's our current liability, right? So, same thing will apply over here. We'll make a ledger for bills payable, and in grouping part, we'll add current liabilities. So in our reports, like as balance sheet, under current liabilities, our bills payable will be displayed. So the major role of creating ledger and tally is being this. Now, the expenses. The expenses which are related to our manufacturing activity and recorded in our trading account, they are our direct expenses. The expenses which are not related to our manufacturing activity and they are recorded in our P&L account, they are indirect expenses. Okay. Carriage inward, direct expense. Carriage outward, that is our indirect expense. Same way, any transaction, whether it is purchase, purchase return, it is related to purchase, the grouping will be purchase account. Any transaction related to sales, whether it is sales or sales return, it will be having grouping of sales account. Drawing, brought capital, that all will be have a capital grouping. Motor car, vehicle, furniture will all have fixed assets grouping. Discount received, again, it's an income for us, but discount payable, it is our indirect expense. Same way, over here, we can see that opening stock. Now, opening stock is a stock in hand for us. So the grouping will be of stock. Loan received, again, it's a liability. So grouping will be liability. Loan payable, it's a asset, loan asset. Bank overdraft, grouping will be bank overdraft. So these are the basic points which to be considered while recording transactions in Tally. Now let's see the interface of ledger. As soon as you will select the vouchers, you will be asked for creating the ledgers. The another important thing over here is when you are entering transaction for the very first time, then you need to create a ledger and their grouping is compulsory. But when again similar type of transaction and similar respective accounts are being affected, you don't need to create any ledgers. You can directly select the ledger from the list of ledgers and you don't need to create the grouping or ledgers again. Mind well this thing. Now over here, let's take an example that capital brought by Mr. Sanjay into the business. Now, over here, Mr. Sanjay is bringing the capital. So, what will be our journal entry? Bank account debit to Mr. Sanjay's capital account. So, over here, when we are creating the ledgers, the name of the ledger will be Mr. Sanjay's capital account. Now, capital is being brought in the business. So, the grouping will be also a capital account. After that, you will add the other details of Mr. Sanjay. And after that, you will save the ledger. As soon as you will save the ledger, again, you will be taken back to this interface. And over here, they will ask you the amount. As soon as you will give the amount, they will ask for the debit entry. After debit entry, you will be again asked for the amount. And with the final amount, they will ask for the narration. At last, you will complete your transaction. They will again ask for a confirmation. As soon as we will ask for confirmation and confirm it, they will display your transaction into your day book. Okay. Here you can see The date column is also given, so you can give proper, accurate data entry. Further, this was the method how you operate Tally, how you record your transactions. If we talk further that what other options Tally can provide, then this was the basic operating thing. And this particular thing of entering transactions, which will ultimately display in the reports of Tally, that is P&L, balance sheet, trial balance, daybook, and cash flow. So this was the basic operation, how Tally works, and how you can enter transaction in Tally. Further, now let's see the job roles, career scope of Tally. By learning Tally, you can be account executive, payroll manager, tax consultant, inventory analyst, and Tally trainer. So Tally is a multifunctional software and a very user-friendly and easy to learn software. I hope it would be a very interesting session for you. Thank you so much.